Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2022 Mercedes-Benz C300 4MATIC. This vehicle for sale comes in a blue exterior with a beige interior. Sunroof, blind spot assist. Come around to the rear of the vehicle, we have our C300 Mercedes-Benz and 4MATIC badging and a power opening and closing trunk. Push button to close. Take a look at the rear seats next. Do have the premium Burmester sound system installed in this vehicle. And quick look up at the front. Take a look at our driver's side next. So we've got power memory heated seats, both driver and passenger. You can see the seat controls here. Door controls right below. Driver's seat with lumbar support. Steering wheel. And we'll go ahead and hop inside. Mileage in this vehicle currently at 2,707. And we have a push button ignition. So here we have our Mercedes-Benz touchscreen display. This is where you'll access all the functionalities of the vehicle, including the radio, any Bluetooth media. You can make adjustments to the ambient lighting in the vehicle, climate control, and backup camera. There's our Mercedes-Benz shifter. And if you're interested in getting additional information about this vehicle, just see our website, feldmanimports.com.